Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this simple half up, half down curly hairstyle. To start, I'm going to section out the crown area of the hair, and I'm just going to clip this on top of the head out of the way for later. I'm then going to divide all the hair from the ears forward and clip this out of the way. Do this on both sides of the head. Now with the remaining hair, I'm going to divide it into slim sections. So starting at the bottom, just take a slice of hair. I'm going to add some heat protectant spray, and then taking a section no wider than your curling tong, start twist wrapping this around the barrel until you get to the end. Make sure this is twisted around the barrel and doesn't lay flat. Hold for a few seconds and then release that curl. Take the same size section next to it and we're going to do the same steps again, so twist wrap it around, but this time we're going to do it in the opposite direction. Hold for a few seconds and release that curl. And then I'm going to take that last section, change the direction again and curl it in the same way. Then apply some dry texture spray all over your curls. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then take your fork comb or a wide tooth comb and gently comb through those curls to loosen them up a little bit. And we're going to curl the rest of the section in the same way, taking thin slices of hair up the back of the head. Once everything is curled, release that crown section down, and I'm going to put some volume powder just at the roots. Again, this will be listed below for you. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of back combing close to the roots. If you don't like back combing, you can skip this step. So take vertical sections, hold them straight up and just back comb the very roots. Once everything is back combed, flip it over and smooth out the top layer with the tip of your comb, and then secure that hair into a ponytail at the back of the head. Using your fingers, gently pinch and pull at the hair in that crown section just for a little bit more texture and volume. And then I'm going to curl that ponytail the same way as we curled the rest of the hair. So make sure that you alternate the direction you curl every time you take a new section. Apply your texture spray and comb those curls through. Now release those front sections down, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face and clip this out of the way for later, and do this on both sides of the head. Now taking that left section, I'm going to smooth it over just to the right hand side of that little ponytail. Use your finger and just twist it towards the head so you create a little twist, and then slip a bobby pin through the centre of that twist. Bring the right hand section over just slightly to the left hand side, lift up that first section, twist it towards the head and secure through that twist with another bobby pin. Then just curl the ends in the same way as you've curled the rest of the hair. And then moving on to the last sections at the front, we're going to split this in half and curl everything away from the face. Do this on both sides of the head. Then just add some more of your dry texture spray to both sides and comb those curls through. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.